Some buddies around camp. What up, what up?
It's around that area.
So Doug, you used to jump with these parachutes?
Yeah, I used to jump this parachute. This is a T10 parachute.
Yep.
Introduced about 1950.
Wow.
And we jumped these from 1950 all the way up into the 2000s. You know.
Wow.
And then they came along with the T10.
I saw some deer tracks.
I mean the T11 parachute.
T11, yep.
And that one's got a whole different shape. It's got air panels to keep the canopy from oscillating.
Right on.
Yeah. You know, people think that parachuting is dangerous. It's not.
No.
Really?
So you were a paratrooper, huh?
Yeah.
That's epic, man.
Yeah, I served in a Special Forces unit.
This street.
And just about everybody in a Special Forces unit is jump qualified. So
Right.
it's like a prerequisite.
Right on, man.
That's off of,
Well, thanks for the info. So this is a
No
T10, huh? I always wondered.
Yeah, it's a T10. Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
And it's a personnel parachute. Cargo parachutes are way, way bigger than this.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, because they're dropping. Well, what would they
They're
drop?
dropping vehicles and
Oh my
pallets
God.
of food and
Vehicles
you
by a
drop
parachute?
vehicles. Absolutely.
That's crazy.
Yeah, Humvees.
Yeah.
They drop Humvees.
Those parachutes are huge.
Wow, dude.
Yeah.
Dropping vehicles.
Yep.
Cool, man. Thanks for the info.
No problem.
Yeah, okay. I live on the
Look out
second house on
below.
the corner. Place he's referring
Oh, did you hear that?
to
The guy was tandem. You know, he was teaching.
Right on here.
Yeah, tandem jump.
He was an instructor,
Right.
and he forgot to strap
And I can
himself
show you
to her.
Right where to get in.
So she lives, but the instructor plummeted to his.
So she had the parachute?
No, he had the parachute. Well, they both have them, don't they?
My buddy's house.
I think tandem jump.
Well, maybe she had.
Glad you made it, man.
Maybe she had a safety chute or something, but he didn't actually. For some reason, he forgot to strap his harness. So
He fell out of it.
yeah, he fell out of it. And she lived. So she had the. Yeah, so maybe she
Yeah,
had.
that's a toggle. You actually pull a ripcord.
Hanging out in camp.
These shoots, I had a ball, man.
Yeah, my
Buddy,
grandfather
one time it
used to
was,
jump out of planes in World War
I think it
II.
was 3
Yeah.
o'clock in the afternoon. I was just
Yeah,
sitting at home
those
doing
shoots
nothing
were
on
a lot
Saturday.
different back then.
And he messaged me.
I
and
bet.
I think they were made of
"Wanna go
paper.
camping?" I'm like, in an hour I was there.
Now, I think back then they were made of silk.
Oh, yeah, I bet they
So
were.
so what's this then?
This is nylon.
Oh, nylon.
And see all the patches?
Yeah.
That's where the riggers have fixed holes in the parachute.
Cool.
And the netting is called anti-inversion netting.
Anti-inversion.
Yeah, it keeps the canopy from doing this, flipping inside out.
Right.
There's all kind of malfunctions that can happen.
Right.
But the riggers are diligent.
No doubt.
I've never had a malfunction.
They have to be.
But I have seen guys break their backs. You know, that kind
land
of stuff.
wrong, break their ankle,
Wow.
break
Yeah, from a malfunction. Yeah.
Yeah, my dad used to tell a story way back that he still has the certificate. So he ended up getting certified. He jumped out of a plane and all that, just because like my grandfather did it in the war. So my dad decided to do it just because his father did. You know, he wasn't in the military or anything, but he just wanted to jump out of a plane. And so apparently the situation was at somebody's birthday party. My grandfather's or his, I don't know, and he kind of surprised him. Hey, you know, I jumped out of a plane just like you, and this, that, and the other. And I guess my grandfather kind of decided to give him a little razz.
Right.
And he was like, wait a minute, was it at night? Were guys shooting at you, or was it during the day?
Was it a night jump?
Exactly. So no one was shooting at you? It wasn't even at night? Wait a minute. Like, crash and burn.
That's actually against the Geneva Convention, but people still do it. They still shoot at you.
Yeah. Well, yeah, he said the Germans are shooting at them.
Yep.
Yeah, don't use hollow points, I'm sure.
Right.
So. Yeah, he said that they actually got dropped off early. There was said he almost died on one mission. They're supposed to get flown past the town, dropped on the other side.
Well, yeah, they're called drop zones.
Okay, yeah.
And if you don't meet the drop zone, you can be in a lot of trouble.
Well, yeah. Apparently, it was a big storm about it. He dropped. Apparently, the pilot turned the light on and had them all jump out because he's taking shots or whatever, and so he got scared, I guess, and just let everybody get out now. Maybe in case he got shot down, he just wanted to let everybody out, whatever it was. He let everybody out right in the middle of town where they're being shot.
Yeah, and they're landing on the lawn, people's lawns,
landing
and
in
tops of buildings.
Exactly.
Getting wrapped around radio towers.
My grandfather got wrapped around the flag tower of the base. He said it was a big Nazi like flag, and he was hanging in the flag.
So
he's all tied up.
They're right in the middle of Nazi town.
Yeah, it was a base there.
Down the hill where I bought all my hay, right down.
The Germans were no joke.
No, they were not.
And then I sold the big horse.
So anyways,
I'm getting good
that's pretty much the only stories I have about that kind of stuff.
My grandfather was a hump pilot.
I mean, it's
Flew over China, Burma, India. The hump, they call it the hump.
Okay.
Dropping bombs.
Yeah, like
World War II.
Yes. Pfizer's 2,000 pounds, Morgan's 900 pounds.
Right on.
So
No matter how much it costs.
What if I were facing that thing?
you guys want a little donation?
Yep.
No, not at all. I got a bunch of stuff to make sandwiches.
See how these babies are doing. We moved them up because they were boiling like crazy. They weren't burning, but they were very aggressive.
Rolling.
800 pounds.
Exactly. You want this? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, there we go. I got a half chewed up ball as well.
Dude, I threw it into a pile of stuff way up there, right?
He found it?
He found the exact stick. Thank you.
Yeah, he's good.
Thank you.
He's got
You
like
ready? You do some more? Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Not to carve it like a boomerang or something. Again? All right, give me it. Give me it. It's mine. No, this is mine. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Here we go. It's like, where'd it go?
Oh, I do. I didn't bring it with me. Yeah.
Oh boy.
So that's how he learned.
Oh, no kidding. His father made him for Plymouth Plantation.
Upper levels don't come with the market.
No, they do. They're sewed right on.
Oh, they are? So,
Yeah. These are elk skin.
okay.
Yeah. I'll tell you, the sheepskin ones, they are so warm.
The arrow moccasins?
Yeah, arrow
The guy just
moccasins.
passed
But
away,
the guy's name was Paul Willett,
Yep.
but he has since passed recently.
Wow.
So I got in just in time.
Wow. And Gary just donated this cool kit for the tournaments. That's okay, man. It's not mandatory. Copper bottom. This is cool. Stainless steel top. Oh my. Wow. Wow. This thing's cool. Right on. That's a cool prize. I like.
Bean testing.
Alrighty.
The bean count. I'm not the bean counter. I'm the bean tester.
Keeks wants to give it a shot.
Okay. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Our temperature is perfect. Heaven on earth.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's the stuff, huh?
If you need me, I'll be right here.
You want some too? You doing it? Jumping, clacking your heels.
Yeah.
If somebody wants some beans.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're perfect.
Perfect?
Well,
Well, well, there you have it.
I think it's perfect, but you know, I mean.
Wow, what a beautiful afternoon.
Oh, yeah. Just chilly enough to make you want the fire, to make
the
you
hot beans.
appreciate the hot beans.
Yeah.
Don't lean on this, okay? In case it breaks.
Yeah, because they still sell the oil. You know, people put it.
I gotta make a ladle. I never did do that. I wanted to,
Yeah, you're good. There you go.
but
I have
I was
a couple
preoccupied.
there. I just set one up over mine real quick.
Getting cold. Getting cold.
Beans are up.
Yeah, I wouldn't even.
Beans are up!
Beans are up.
Beans are up!
Definitely want beans.
Yeah, that's my tea. It's in there.
You know,
I'll pull it out in a minute.
Spice it.
Good enough.
Just letting it.
Mitch, I can smell that from here.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Come get you some.
Get some. Get some.
Looks like pie filling.
Yeah, yeah, dude. I boiled them down for a while.
I think all the steaks are undone. Lift the whole thing up.
I haven't had any bean yet.
Yeah, much better.
There you go.
So much better.
Good,
Yeah, I got it in there decent.
Yeah.
And we're eating right now.
I might make this at home.
Nice.
Good, Mitch.
Yeah? Nice.
Good, Mitch.
Exactly. What, did I poison you? What's going on?
So the beans were sweet.
Yeah.
Good.
Over there, I think.
Yeah, I just jacked it. There was canned beans by Bush, I think it was, and I just jacked them up with
Right?
some garlic powder, onion powder, a couple sticks of butter,
Two
a
sticks
couple
of
pounds of
butter.
meat, and just kind of let them go, you know.
Good.
Ooh, they're hot.
My pants are dirty. And that just reminded me. Shouldn't we have a tick check?
Oh, they are good.
And then really have
Just
it.
eat from the very top and blow on them.
I just mixed it around though.
Well, I ain't gotta wait.
And this.
Mm-hmm.
I went and got my slingshot. I figured we can try slingshot in the ball.
They
Try
are
to stand it up.
Mm.
Yeah, just lean it. Lean.
I'm digging the meat in there. I usually don't do that. The meat chunks.
Yeah.
Hot though.
It's good.
Yeah,
Really
it is.
good.
Mm-hmm.
And I am so cold again.
Well, if you eat that, it'll warm you up. Add a lot of heat to your belly.
That looks good.
The best way to warm yourself up.
Beans, ground beef, garlic powder,
Onion powder.
butter, right?
I put 2 pounds
Hamburger?
to make that size. 2 pounds of hamburger, 80%.
Right?
10 cans of beans. 2 sticks of butter, garlic powder, onion powder.
I was hoping for that blueberry stuff you made.
I'm gonna make it.
What blueberry stuff?
Yep, my man.
But not?
You'd be my favorite
Let's
bushcrafter.
see. Yeah, it's good stuff. I brought my Dutch oven. I hoofed it out here.
Hey, that stuff is good.
I got one too.
Nice.
2 days ago.
Get out of here. Go, go.
So hopefully they'll be there when
Well,
we
that's
know.
what the special forces wear, from what I understand.
Okay, that's what I thought. I thought it was something.
Is it okay?
Someone who needs good boots.
Probably not all the groups, but I'm sure some
What's that for?
I'm gonna
special
use
forces.
this as my guide to drill
If
my
it's good enough for them.
Well, each unit has their choice of equipment. And they
Interesting.
can buy what they want as long as it's, OD
We
green.
really got to
Black.
Well, we don't want to cook the beans too much right now. We'll pick up the fire in a few minutes.
Oh, is this the topping for the beans?
No.
No.
Who's gonna bind me up?
I don't know. The beans? You might think so.
Just because it looks that way doesn't mean it comes out that way. I spent so much time alone, I don't know how to act when I'm around people.
The legumes, the legumes.
Legumes.
Legumes. La Sportiva.
Yep.
Oh, is this more beans?
Wanna wear them?
What size shoe you wear?
11?
Yeah, I get.
Why are you eating your coffee
I'm a small. You know,
and drinking
yeah, I get tiny
your beans?
feet. Huge hog, but tiny.
These are European size 45.
I'm only kidding.
Yeah,
they're
even
really
onion
small.
drink up small, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, they do.
And eat
I
a
think these are 11 and a half.
papa.
Yeah, they look like.
And
So they're fairly light or fairly heavy?
I tell you, for a good leather boot,
Yeah.
they're average.
Okay.
3 pounds for the
Winter
pair, I
winter
guess.
boot, right?
Huh?
Would you call them a winter
Cool.
boot?
Okay, you're
all
back
weather.
at it.
Definitely an all-weather boot,
Yeah.
unless it's getting down to like minus digits.
Okay.
Then I would go with something more
Do
insulated.
you want some more beans?
Little bit of insulation.
So that'll get you 90% of the time.
Oh, yeah.
The whole pot's full of beans.
Joe,
With a good pair of
beans
socks.
are up, guy.
It's getting ready to eat breakfast.
I'm wearing,
Huh?
It's getting ready to
Yeah,
cook
me too.
breakfast.
Come over. Yeah. Wool socks right here, right now.
I'm going to do some.
Dig in.
Thank you so much.
Of course. It's the least I can do. Feed the boys.
everything.
Well, that's why I knew I already knew the
Or
answer.
at the antique
Yeah.
store.
Oh, I see. Now the wedge is because that's how you get the angle.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Oh.
Great idea.
That's a handy piece of kit.
What's that, 1 1/4 or something?
1 3/8.
1 3/8.
That was the
That's
biggest
a
I could
cool
find.
looking piece of white birch.
Where?
Right there on the ground.
That's mine.
Super white.
I brought it here.
Super white.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to carve something out of it. Making a stool?
Yep.
Nice.
I'm gonna try to anyway. Let's see if this one holds
So
up.
you have a split
Yeah.
piece of
last
wood.
one.
And
On the angle. The wedge keeps you on the angle so you get the splay of the legs.
interesting. Yeah, because that angles it out.
Yeah. If I had my wool blanket, I'd be making the camp chair, but I need it to keep me warm tonight.
Yep. For sure, man.
You shorted yourself last time, ended up in the Unimog.
Yeah, right, huh?
Oh.
Well, I had my buffalo robe. I had my buffalo blanket in there.
With a wood stove.
Yeah, with a wood
With a wood stove.